Mr. Joven Y. Impat. Palakpakan po natin sila. Alright? So, that's it. Isang kasigaw po palakpakan for this wonderful moment. Wow. This night is very special, Nicole. Dahil alam ko, your mama and papang exerted much effort to celebrate your birthday. Ang gandang sayaw na ito. That's perfect. That's... And yes, ngayong gabi, ang ating 18 roses ay dapat ready for we are having a twist for this evening celebration. Hindi nyo lang maisasayaw ng sweet music, kundi ng iba't ibang sayaw ang ating Nicole. Let's give the music to her mother, Joven Impat. Harap tayo dito. Come on, sir! 1, 2, 3, 4! Come on! Thank you so much! Na-pressure yung susunod. Moving on to Mr. Orlando P. Siguban. Palakpakan po natin siya. Lolo Orlando. Ayan. And father. Alright. Take it slowly, sir. Didiskartihan ni Lolo Orlando ang sayaw na ito ngayong gabi music, DJ. Come on! Hurry up, Orlando! Oh, kita niyo yan? Thank you so much. Moving on to Mr. Ruben Pinto. Ruben, side of the road.
Wala kami.
This time, we are witnessing this dance. Palakpakan po natin sila. Family is complete tonight. Let us look at the camera. 1, 2, 3, and music for another grandfather. Come on now! Balikat na ka. Thank you so much. Kita niyo maging paabak na gabi senior. Moving on to Arvey F. Castillo. Arvey, nakikita ng tuhod ni Arvey. Arvey, the stage is all yours. Wow. Thank you so much, Lolo. Sa bewang ka, Arvey, kung nakakala mo tropa. Maraming salamat. We are now witnessing this beautiful dance together with our Nicole this evening. Once again, thank you so much everyone for coming. And now, I believe Arvey is ready for us. Music, DJ.
Rocky, sige na!
What? Wow! Kita ko ka nakalalawi ka. Thank you so much. Galing ah. Next, let's go. Castillo. Sir Ace. Ladies and gentlemen, we are witnessing this beautiful dance. Nicole, dapat sasabay ka ha. Piling ko si Ace, dancer to. Music to the both of them. Let's go! Come on! Alright! Moving on to John Michael Ganaya. John Michael, ladies and gentlemen, tignan mo, excited ang mga tita. Galingan mo, John Michael, nakatayo si Mama.
so good to have Vanessa Strawberry. Ice cream yummy.
Jessie!
Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy.
Thank you so much. Hello, sir. Good evening. Magandang gabi. Nararamdaman namin parang bibo ka, sir. Oo nga. Si sir parang bouncy siya. Tignan natin kung gaano ba kaganda ang kanilang partnership ni Nicole tonight. Here we go.
Ang kakabagantay mo lang. Kasi si Mama mo.
So ano, ayaw mo na. Pagod ka na, ayaw mo na.
Thank you so much. Moving on to Ivan D. De Leon. Oh, Ivan. Ivan, tumatang pinto ko eh. Ivan. Enjoy lang po tayo sa ating pika-pika. Maraming salamat po. We will dance with our dear Nicole this evening, Ivan. Ladies and gentlemen, we can see
Pagkain na din ito.
katulad ni Nicole ay napaka-fit ni Ivan. Wow, Ivan. Here we go. The camera is on. Ayan, Ivan! Moving on to Kenneth D. Rosella. Kenneth, may video kapag nalalaman ni Dr. Langsin
Ay, hindi pa pasti tinidaginahan.
Tignan niyo si Nicole mukhang nag-enjoy, ano. Natutuwa siya, ano, na kinakabahan ng ating roses sa kanya. And of course, dancing with our Kenneth Rosella, our dearest Nicole Sikuban, in fact. Ladies and gentlemen, hit it up. DJ. Parang ano, Kenneth, iba yung pinupuan mong tropa, feeling ko yung tropa mo dun kina Lolo Orlando. Ang cute-cute mo. Let's go to Prince Jerome Matilla. Uy, ang pogi, pre. Ang pogi, palakpakan niyo naman. Isoy ha. Taga-Coronadal. Basta taga-Coronadal? No, big deal. Antay ka lang ha. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Dancing with our Nicole, we have our dear Prince. Prince D. She's not, she's not way back there, but she's still what she used to be way back when. Thank you so much. Pwede ba lang gwapo ka? Let's go to Gian Bongbong.
Nakasinsin na maganda.
In fairness,
Nakasinsin na
straight na
mga.
straight yung bang sa front. ah. I love it. Yan yung asset mo ngayong gabi, kuya. Huwag kang nahihiya, ano? Ladies and gentlemen, our Gian Bongbong. Music for Gian. Baby! Come on, Gian! Let's go! Wow! Huwag yung kinakalaban si Gian, ah. Let's go to Harvey. Harvey? Di ba sa'yo po ito? Di ba kaknamling mo? May lifting, gano'n? Harvey? Kita naman natin, ano? Basta iba. Kay Sir Joven pa lang talaga kanina. Talagang magaling sumayaw. Ladies and gentlemen, Harvey J. Dancing with Nicole. Music. To go for. Tuwa si Mama. Alexandros, ay ganayo. Palakpakan po natin siya. Sayaw si Ate Nicole. Ay, tikas pala. Uy, one hand, ha? Ladies and gentlemen, music! Anong pinaka-vitamins mo? Ito believe Denzel is a representative.
Thank you so much, Denzel.
Yan na. One, two, three. Thank you. Intro voice ka rin din. Last dance of our birthday celebrant tonight, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a moment to her brother, Mr. Nico Segoban Emba. Lakad pa lang, ano? Lakad pa lang. Iba na, Nico. Uy!